Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to import configured widgets from an existing dashboard into a new dashboard in Bold BI. Let's consider a simple scenario. I have a clinical trials dashboard where all the metrics and KPIs show the summarized results of clinical trial data. Let's say I want to create a new clinical data dashboard, but I would like to reuse one or two widgets from my existing clinical trials dashboard. In this scenario, I don't need to recreate the widgets manually with the same configurations in the new dashboard because Bold BI allows you to import configured widgets from one dashboard to another. Now let's see the steps to import a configured widget. After installing the Bold BI setup, you will see the Bold BI homepage, which I am showing you now. If you want to know how to install Bold BI and learn more about the Bold BI user interface, I have shared help and video links in this video's description. Go to the Bold BI homepage and click the Add icon in the left navigation panel. Click the Start from Scratch option to create a new dashboard. After providing a name for the dashboard, you will be redirected to the new dashboard's designer canvas. On the right side, you can see the Data Sources pane that helps you connect and configure your data onto the widgets of your dashboard. At the left side, you can see two tabs. One is Default, which lists the available standard widgets. You can drag and drop any widget to the canvas and configure it. The second tab is Existing, which helps you import configured widgets from an existing dashboard. Here, it lists the existing dashboards you have access to. Now, let's select the clinical trial dashboard. The canvas will show all the configured widgets from the chosen dashboard. Let's drag and drop trials per phase into the canvas, and the configured widget will be added in the designer. We can see the data source that has been used to configure the widget under the Data Source section. Here, the widget acts independently. Even if you make changes to this instance of the widget or the original, one will not affect the other. Both widgets share only the same data source. This is how you can import widgets from an existing dashboard into a new dashboard instead of recreating a widget from scratch. In this video, we have seen how to import a configured widget from an existing dashboard into a new dashboard. We've explained how to do this in our documentation. I have provided the help link in this video's description. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or if there are additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.